Welcome to Albania, Europe's hidden gem that's stealing the spotlight. Tucked away on the Balkan Peninsula, this country is a treasure trove of natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture, just waiting to be discovered by curious travelers. From untouched beaches to towering mountains, this country is more than just a destination. It's an unforgettable experience. Albania's landscapes are as diverse as they are breathtaking, offering something for every kind of explorer. Whether you crave the salty breeze of the Adriatic or the dramatic peaks of the interior, you'll find yourself captivated at every turn. Down south, the Albanian Riviera is where I found crystal-clear waters and quiet coves, a paradise for travelers seeking beauty without the crowds. The beaches here are pristine, often empty even in summer, and the sunsets paint the sky in colors you have to see to believe. Ksamil's Islands felt like the Maldives. Only here, it's on a European budget, with the same turquoise sea and soft sand, but with a peaceful charm all its own. The water is so clear you can see the fish darting around your feet, and the gentle waves invite you to relax and let go of the world's worries. Step back in time in places like Gjirokastër and Berat, UNESCO World Heritage sites, where ancient history whispers through cobbled streets and stone towers. These towns are living testaments to Albania's layered past, with architecture that tells stories of empires, artists, and everyday life over centuries. Every corner tells a story. I wandered narrow alleys lined with white Ottoman houses, and it felt like stepping into a living museum where the past is still part of daily life. Locals greet you with a nod, and the scent of fresh bread drifts from tiny bakeries tucked into ancient walls. But Albania isn't just coast and history. In the north, I discovered the raw, wild beauty of the Albanian Alps. These mountains are a world apart, with jagged peaks and deep valleys that feel untouched by time. Valbona and Theth are breathtaking, alpine valleys wrapped in clouds, wild horses grazing in sunlit meadows, and hiking trails that reveal new wonders with every step. Nature is untouched here, and time seems to slow down with the mountain breeze. The air is crisp, the rivers run clear, and every path leads to a new adventure, whether you're an experienced trekker or just out for a peaceful walk. Albania's soul, though, is in its people. I was welcomed with open arms and genuine smiles. Hospitality here isn't just a tradition, it's a way of life, and every encounter feels like meeting an old friend. The food? Absolutely delicious. From savory bajrak to fresh seafood by the coast. Every meal is a celebration of local flavors, with recipes passed down through generations and ingredients sourced from the land and sea. Traditional music fills the air in colorful markets, and dancing is a shared language. Every moment felt personal, real, and unforgettable. The energy is contagious, and you can't help but join in the festivities, clapping along to the rhythms of folk songs that echo through the streets. Whether you seek adventure, serenity, or something in between, Albania offers it all, raw, real, and waiting to be explored. From kayaking on tranquil lakes to hiking rugged trails, or simply soaking up the sun on a quiet beach, there's a sense of freedom here that's hard to find elsewhere. Subscribe for more breathtaking journeys like this. Your next destination awaits. And maybe, just maybe, it's time to let Albania surprise you.